Hello, party people! It's Randee for Thunderhorse Descendant. I'm here tonight. Let me preference that it is nighttime. I'm here tonight, and I thought I was just wrapping up the last video. Since last time I saw you guys, there was a flood and a craft show and just all kinds of things. So anyway, I was finishing up my last video for Bargain Bead Box, and I was like, you know, it's 9:30. Everybody's quiet in the house. Like Mr. Bunson's down here on his rack. Lily's over here watching me. And thought, you know what would be good? Some Beadalon Mystery Boxes. I got 2 left. If you've been following along with this, I opened 3 of my Beadalon Mystery Boxes on Friday night light box and fun on Friday, which was the 18th of August. So if you want to head over to Facebook, you can look for that in the videos. I opened 3 of them. All 3 were different. We have 2 left. I ordered 5, so just a preference. I ordered all of these with my own money. They were not sent to me or PR in any way. And I'm going to unbox them. So let's get down to the mat. Get this party started. Alrighty, party people. Here we are. Oh my. I need a scissor. Or something. Here we are on the mat, looking for a scissor. Gonna open this mystery box. Like, how hard could it be? Let's get this tape open. No, danger. Okay. Okay, here we are. So I'm gonna try something new. I'm on the mat right here. I also got my phone camera going, and I'm recording myself, so maybe we'll see what happens with that. I don't know, things and stuff. We shall see. So here we go. This is box number 4 that I have. And I know you're like, box number 4, Randee, where are the other boxes? The other boxes I opened on Facebook. So here we go. Okay, Beadalon Mystery Boxes. So if you're not aware, Beadalon put out mystery box situation. It was order 1 for $25, supposed to be a $75 value. So I got one of these in my last box. I still have not done research on this. Okay. I see a little picture down here this time. You see this bead? It's got a little screw in it. And I think that means that this is the screwdriver portion. And you can screw the bead in. So I don't think there's any beads included with this. I'm just going to move this out the way. And we're going to go through these items one at a time. I'm so excited. Okay. Focus. Okay. Next thing. Ooh, 16 gauge. What the heck? You guys, this is Hexagon Wire. It says Hexagonal Wire, 16 gauge. Did you even know about it? I have not even known about it. So, exciting. I like it. Okay, moving on. Here I have some jump rings. These are 18 gauge. I don't think there's any more in here. So these are 18 gauge, 180 pieces. These are short for chainmail. So, you know, I have had these in my other box as well. We've got another repeat. This is the Beadalon Cord, polyester braided cord. When I say repeat, I mean I got it in another box. Oh, good. We got some more of this braided craft wire. I'm very interested in this if you have not seen it. I hadn't seen it prior to the other day, so let's just take this one off here. So, this one says 14 gauge craft wire brass square. So that's what I'm interested in, is that it's square wire that's braided, and I really like it. And I'm just thinking of all the things. You know, you guys know I love me some square wire. So I'm just thinking of all the things that I can do with it. Okay, we have some filigree bead covers. Now these are great. I did get these again in my other boxes, but I like these because these conform to your beads, and I really like that because it makes your projects look really polished. So smashing, smash hit, love it, love them all, love them all. Oh, I got different ones. I didn't get any of these bronze kind last time, these square kind. Also, you can take these apart, fold them flat, use them for filigree, use them in your leather projects. You can use these for a lot of things. I did not get this many options in some of my other boxes, so that's something that's maybe a little different from some of the other boxes, but these is the filigree bead caps. Bead caps. Love them. Love them. By the way, can I just mention, I'm like trying to find my camera. These boxes were like a smash hit on value. A lot of this stuff is well worth your $25. These little clasps here, I can trade with our friend Rosanna from In the Roses Garden. Me and her were talking about doing some tradesies. She's got some wire or something. I can't remember what it was. Oh, beady crimps. Beady crimps. Not the tubes, the beads. Speak of the devil. Here we go. So we got the multiple colors of the tubes in number 2, which is great. So I just happen to be, these are like, this is a smash hit because I needed these. But I happen to be a bead girl and not a tube girl. And here's the beads, which is great, in size number 1. I really love these. I need these. Super happy about it. You get all the colors. My personal opinion is between beads and tubes is a preference. But I will say that even Jeff from the bead store says that I should use tubes. So I don't, but he says I should. Okay, here we go. We got the bead covers, which are smashing. I love that they have different textures on them, and I will use those. Super excited. We got all the different sizes. This is great. I really am so happy that Beadalon included these in their mystery boxes where you get all the different sizes, because you know, sometimes it's a thing. Here we have a Findings Variety Pack. I did get these in my other boxes. I also got these in some of my like PR from the past, and I have used them. They are good. Here we have 28 gauge, 15 yards burgundy. 28 gauge. 28 gauge is very small, but that's okay because that means that we can start trying out some different things. I think the smallest I currently have is maybe a 26, and I really like 26 because you can do some interesting wrapping things with that. So I did get this in a previous box. Sorry, my voice is wearing out. Could you even imagine? I did get this in a previous box as well. So now I have 2 rolls of it. So I really want to get going on a project I can. The 19 strand. Again, I think that, oh no, it says 10 feet. That's probably 10 feet on there. Originally, I thought when I got these, they just weren't full. But it says only 10 feet on there. But anyway, I did get this in a previous box. I do use this actually quite often, especially this color. So I am happy that I got that. I got a set of tools. Excuse me. These are the 5-piece travel toolkit with case. And in here you get a chain nose, a round nose, a plastic jaw plier, a jump ring mandrel, and a cutter. So these are not the sparkle tools, but like I said, I will either regift these or use them for classes. Excuse me. Yeah. These ones are different. So, excuse me, I did get some of these in my other box, and I was super excited to get them and try to use them on my travel tools. So I got some small and some large. Now, these ones, these ones are saying Fitzmos Ergo and Crimper tools. So these are for your crimper tools. Let's just see about it. Come here, crimper tools. Let's see about you, crimper cozies. What are these called? Bashing grips. Is it supposed to go over the top? You would think so. All right. Okay. Oh. Oop. Get there. Okay. I think we got it. I think you got to pull them up all the way over the top. Yeah. All right. So, now I can be fancy. Now I can be fancy. Oh, my battery's gonna die. Perfect. Well, we're at the end of the box. This is the end of the box. I guess we're only doing one in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll do another one tomorrow. Have a lovely night. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.